Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the spacer and aerosol inhaler ready. This matters because a loose fit wastes medication. First, remove caps and inspect for cracks or dirt, then insert the inhaler into the spacer's back until it clicks, so there's an airtight seal. Once attached, shake the inhaler 3-4 times. This mixes the propellant and dose. Make sure you're upright and calm. Breathing technique matters. Practice a slow exhale away from the mouthpiece before moving to the next step. Once done, place the mouthpiece in your mouth with a tight seal, or fit the mask if the patient is a child. This ensures most aerosol reaches the lungs. Press the inhaler canister once while you begin a slow, steady 3-5 second inhalation. Coordinating press with start of breath reduces oropharyngeal deposition. Make sure to hold your breath for 5-10 seconds to allow particles to settle deep in airways. Afterward, exhale gently. If multiple puffs are needed, wait about 30-60 seconds. You finish by maintaining the spacer so it works reliably. Clean it roughly once a week by rinsing in warm water, letting it air dry on a clean surface. Do not use towels that generate static. Make sure to replace caps and store in a dry place. Warped seals reduce dose efficiency. If you notice weak delivery, do a test spray into the spacer away from your face and inspect the valve and mouthpiece for blockages or sticking. If problems persist, replace the spacer or consult your clinician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.